Welcome everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a while, but it's just been a whole ordeal with trying to get it together, get my life together, and that's kind of what today's video is going to be about. So like the last time I had talked about, just scaling back, just trying to focus and just making sure that I'm taking care of my homely duties, and which I've been doing, but as you can see, I had to go back and get my nails done because it wasn't working with me not having my nails done. It's part of the things that make me happy. And I had to realize certain things you can sacrifice and certain things you just can't. And my nails is not one of the things I can sacrifice. I tried it. I lasted 2 months, and that's okay. I'm gonna cut some other things out, and I have. Today's video is going to just basically be about just kind of what my realization has been just going through this last month, because I haven't really created a video in like a month, and I just really want to get back to doing the things that I love. And I just have to realize that I have to put more faith in believing that God is going to take care of me. And I just have to step out on faith, literally just step out there, walk on water, and just believe I'm not going to drown. So like one of the big things that I'm learning is like you really do eat what you talk. So you shouldn't really talk unless you like really know what you're talking about. But years ago, I used to always tell people like, you got kids, like sometimes you got to make sacrifices, da 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 da. And it's only so many sacrifices you can make when it comes to your children, at least for me. And I'm really learning that the hard way now, because it's so hard to tell your sweet baby toddler cheeky cheek face like, no, mommy's gonna do this or mommy's gonna do that, especially after mommy has already been working. And as a mother, it just gets me every time, that itty bitty face. I just be like, oh, how can I neglect this? It's really been hard, and it's really been a process for me to learn how to balance everything, just balance being a mom, balance wanting to be an entrepreneur and have my own business, and just being able to afford life because everything is going up. So it's just really been a process, and I'm learning that you do have to watch what you say because it will come back and bite you in the butt. So now I just want to be like, whatever, just do what I need to do, let everything fall. And psychologically I can't do that, and I do still have to take care of my household. So I'm just learning how to balance that, and I'm just learning that I don't know. I'm just learning a lot. Life isn't fair, and we just got to deal with it, whatever. But I'm also learning, like, I will be okay. It's not a rush. I got 15 or so years left to where I really have to baby this girl, and maybe even sooner. Like, I don't know if she's going to be one of those ones that pull away and don't want to deal with me, but that's going to be fine. If she hit teenage years and she's like,
no, mommy, no, I'm going to be like, okay. Deuces. Mom can get on doing what she want to do.
Just square business. So, yeah, you want to go in your room, you want to talk on the phone, you want to whatever, play your game, that's fine. When you want to catch up, holla at me. So, I'm trying to get these years in now where she really still wants to have all mommy's attention. I can really focus on pursuing my purpose and my vision and my goals. And I realized, like, listen to certain people, like, some of their biggest regrets was that they didn't take enough time with their family and with their kids. And I don't want to be that. Like, I really do want to fulfill my purpose, but it's just gonna have to wait. That's how I feel about it. I don't want to sacrifice my time with my daughter trying to make money or be rich or have fame or just anything. Like, I really just don't. So I'm like, I'm gonna build, I'm gonna get my finances together, I'm gonna pay off things, and like, I have 15 years, it's not a rush. And I listen to a lot of people, Louise House, Gary V, and they all say, you got time. And the people that they have on their podcasts and that they talk with is always that you have time. And a lot of them didn't really get big or start really growing or getting the growth that they wanted to after years of working through it or to it. And really until their mid 40s, maybe, or I would say late 30s, mid-40s. So I'm just realizing that it's not necessarily a rush, and it's gonna be okay, and I'm gonna be okay. And I'm gonna start back making more videos because I got a lot of stuff that I definitely want to talk about and share with everyone. And I kind of am grasping the direction of where I really want to go with my business and what I really want to do. I did want to talk about being an entrepreneur and like being a business owner, which I still can do, but I think as far as what I'm gonna focus my business on is just like how to provide excellent customer service and how to be a customer service focused business. That's probably like a lot, but just being for the people. And I think that as a generation, as a people, we've lost that way of being about people, and that is not always about us. Even as as people that I encounter with every day, it's like they only think about them and they don't think about anything else. And it's like, as business owners, yes, we do need to focus on revenues and profits and growing, but we also need to think about our end customer. So I think that's what I'm going to gravitate toward as far as building my brand and building my business and starting with my coaching, or continuing with my coaching. So yeah, I'm excited to be back at it. Thanks guys for staying around and staying with me through these times. This is again my season 1, and it's just coming along. So I'm happy to still be working through it. I'm happy to still be sharing, and as always, be blessed, and I will see you in the next video.